This goes over how to loop a sequence of images, create a polygon plane, reduce its number. Next, after you have set a project, which is going under File, Set Project, pick the folder of your project that contains all the structure of your Maya files, and you create that going File, Project Window, and you have set this up previously. Right-click and assign a new material. Select a Lambert because it'll have less reflective properties. For the color swatch, select the checkerboard to attach an image file. Pick your image file, and here I have a sequence of images. I'll pick the first one and click on Open. Press the 6 key in the viewport to see that one image on there. In a moment, we'll display the sequence of images. Let me rotate this first. And I'll check the rotation of it by going to the attribute editor and typing in 90 degrees for the X rotation. There's our standing character. Going back to the material property, which is Control A if you don't see it up there. Going to Lambert 2, which could be renamed Stick. Clicking on the color swatch and click on Use Image Sequence. And it runs off the screen because we run out of images. To loop this, we're going to use an expression. Next, right-click on this area and click on Edit Expression. Everything's set up to loop the image. By clicking the Use Image Sequence, this expression was created. This variable has to be changed to the number of frames that will be looped. Open up your source images folder and you can see there's 6 frames starting from 0 going through 5, making a total of 6 frames. To let Maya be aware of that in this equation right here, add to the frame variable % and the number of frames in the animation, 6. So now Maya knows to keep on looping 6 frames instead of just counting up to infinity. Then click the Edit button to commit this change. And now, when you scrub the timeline, there's the character going through the walk cycle of 6 frames repeated over and over again. When I hit play, it goes by pretty fast. In order to handle this from an art point of view, this would mean doubling up on all these frames. So instead of just having 6 frames, there would be 12 frames of animation, which would be copying and pasting this and naming this one 0 and 1, copying and pasting this, naming this one 2 and 3, copying and pasting this, naming this 4 and 5, etc. until you have 12 frames of animation out here.